Can you use kitchen cabinets in a bathroom?
Yes. What defines a kitchen cabinet versus a vanity cabinet is height and depth. So a few years back, probably more than a few years back, vanities typically were shorter than kitchen cabinets. Today, however, it's more common to get adult height vanities, which are the same height as a kitchen cabinet, our standard kitchen cabinet. The depth of a vanity is 21 inches deep. The depth of a kitchen cabinet is 24. And then you have an inch and a half overhang with your countertop. So that's the difference between a vanity cabinet and a kitchen cabinet. But can you use a kitchen cabinet in a bathroom? You can, but it will look and feel larger than it's supposed to, what you're used to seeing. But you could if you had the space for it.